Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a massive game changer for any data-driven team out there. We're talking about the distinct advantages of plugging business intelligence, or BI, as we'll call it, right into your customer relationship management strategy. Look, if you're still relying purely on traditional CRM features, the breakdown we're doing today is going to completely shift how you operate. So let's kick things off with the million-dollar question, right? What actually happens when you apply BI to the customer data you already have? Now, a standard CRM, it's a great system of record. It tells you what happened and, who was involved. But to really grab that competitive edge, we've got to move way beyond just logging interactions. We need actual intelligence. And here's where the magic happens. When you run raw CRM data through BI tools, it literally transforms into these incredibly valuable insights. We're talking deep dives into customer behavior, trends, and preferences. Instead of just seeing, oh, hey, a customer bought our product on Tuesday, BI actually helps you understand why they bought it, what they're probably going to buy next, and how you can replicate that exact success across your whole customer base. It's this shift that unlocks truly data-driven decisions that improve your performance. To make this all easy to digest, we've split the advantages into 5 key sections: insights and segmentation, personalized marketing and sales, optimizing customer service, boosting retention, and finally, real-time decision-making. This gives us a fantastic blueprint for the complete life cycle we're looking at today. You can see the flow of advantages here. It starts at appraisal and decision-making, moves right through better segmentation and service optimization, and lands right on the ultimate goal: loyalty programs and real customer retention. Section 1. Insights and segmentation. This is all about understanding who your customers truly are. The absolutely crucial advantage to highlight here is the massive shift from just sitting on static data to actually generating forward-looking intelligence. Think about it. On one side, raw CRM data gives you static purchase history and basic demographics. On the other side, BI-analyzed insights hand you predicted future trends and detailed behavioral patterns. You're basically stopping looking in the rearview mirror and finally looking through the windshield. By analyzing all that historical data, BI provides insights into buying patterns you just can't get from a standard spreadsheet. Armed with that intelligence, businesses can just execute at such a higher level. BI lets you segment your customers intelligently, so not just grouping them by zip code, but by their actual purchasing behavior. And because you're analyzing those historical buying patterns, you can target very specific groups with absolute precision. Plus, predicting future market trends means you understand their deep underlying needs, which leads directly to way better product offerings down the line. Moving on to Section 2, personalized marketing and sales. Here, we're turning those insights into operational success. Let's look at how this builds into a real operational workflow. BI basically creates this amazing cycle of continuous improvement for your teams. Step 1, you track exactly how customers respond to different campaigns. Step 2, you optimize future strategies based entirely on that hard data. Step 3, by analyzing those purchase patterns, you easily spot cross-selling and upselling opportunities you might have missed. And finally, Step 4, you focus your energy squarely on the most profitable areas. What's really interesting is that BI is kind of a dual-purpose tool here. Sure, it lets you create highly personalized external marketing campaigns, but internally, it's a powerhouse appraisal tool. It analyzes your sales data to objectively assess your strategies. It literally points out your top-performing salespeople, your highest-performing products, and your most lucrative regions. So your resources are always, and I mean always, allocated efficiently. All right, Section 3, optimizing customer service. The whole goal here is resolving issues before they escalate. Now, the advantage shifts over to the operational side of customer support. By deeply analyzing customer feedback and service interaction data, BI is a real game changer for customer care. It helps you spot common issues instantly, meaning you resolve them way faster. Instead of treating every single support ticket like an isolated incident, BI connects the dots. It reveals the underlying patterns so your team can hit the root causes and just massively boost overall customer satisfaction. Section 4. Boosting retention. Let's talk about the immense long-term value of customer loyalty. Look, we all know acquiring new customers is expensive, right? Keeping them is where the true profitability lies, and BI is absolutely essential for this workflow. First, the system flags behavioral shifts, like a declining purchase frequency or maybe an uptick in negative feedback. Second, that data automatically identifies at-risk customers who might be getting ready to churn. Third, you swoop in proactively with targeted loyalty programs, a quick discount, or personalized support. And the result? You successfully improve customer loyalty and retention long before that customer actually walks out the door. Finally, Section 5, real-time decision making. This is all about true agility in business performance. Honestly, none of the advantages we've talked about matter much if your data is a month old. BI gives you real-time dashboards and automated reports, handing your management team up-to-the-minute info on customer interactions and overall business performance. This kind of total visibility ensures customer needs are handled promptly. It completely changes how leadership operates. You're making rapid, informed decisions based on what's happening right this second, rather than what happened last quarter. To wrap up everything we've pulled from our source material today, this quote really hits the nail on the head regarding the ultimate advantage. BI applications in CRM empower businesses to better understand their customers, improve marketing strategies, and ultimately drive sales and customer satisfaction. These aren't just IT upgrades, folks. It's literally the bridge between just hoarding data and actually profiting from it. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on for your own team operations. Are you just collecting and storing customer data in some static CRM, or are you actively using business intelligence to predict their next move and build stronger, more profitable relationships? I think we both know who holds the competitive advantage there. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope these visual breakdowns give you a crystal clear framework for maximizing your CRM strategy.